In this video, we're going to talk about something very important called playlist. Playlists can be used to keep users seeing your videos over and over and over. Now, when you share a video link, there's actually a couple ways to do it. You can actually just hit the little share button under the video and it will spit out a link that you can share. And when someone watches that video, that is the only video they watch. That isn't how I share my videos. I share my videos in a playlist, making the first video that they see in that playlist the one they want to see. And then it would continue playing over and over and over until they actually clicked off. And what I'm getting at is if they have their computer on mute, I'm sorry about the dog, shh, shush, and they just walk away, then your videos will continue playing until they come back to that computer and turn it off, or it's turned off by some other means. And it just gets you more views, and it just keeps things flowing better. So that's just a little secret tip that you can keep under your hat. Playlists are very, very powerful. Keep that, use that, and we'll talk soon.